So if one to know where I be right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. The Gullah Geechee Nation started in Jacksonville, North Kakalaki, working with all the way down Jacksonville, Florida. And Compass will hunter see right behind me. These are what we call the Sea Islands. And then 30 to 35 miles inland to the St. Johns River. Now, if hunter yet about that for now, you might get about that back yonder. When this your thing been where that thing y'all yet about called 40 acres and a mule, start up at. Because this year is the same land. From Charleston, all the abandoned rice fields southward to Fernandina, out of Florida. All this year been supposed to be broke up into 40-acre plots, distributed out to the, quote, Negroes. No white should dwell therein unless in military service and occupation. Because that special field order number 15, William Tecumseh Sherman issued that where big shoot been going on when the U.S. Civil War was going on.